Hi. So, welcome to the interview.
Okay.
And what is your name?
Yeah, I'm Paula. I'm Paula Fernandez.
And what college degrees do you have?
Yeah, I have an Associates of Science in Dental Hygiene.
Perfect. And which year did you graduate?
I graduated November 2019.
And what hygiene school did you go to?
At Concord.
What do you do in your job?
Yeah, so as a dental hygienist, we work at not only preventing gum disease, but also treating gum disease for patients, along with just regular prophy for healthy patients, and then a little variety of other things, like we can take x-rays and we can make impressions, things like that, sealants.
Perfect. What do you think was the most important factor to being successful in dental hygiene school?
Yeah, time management, probably for sure. No matter what, it's a lot of information in a short period of time, and then there's boards and everything, so just making sure you're prioritizing studying and focusing on what is important at that time. Try not to get overwhelmed for sure.
What were some of the biggest barriers or obstacles you faced before and during dental hygiene school?
Yeah, so before I didn't have any experience in dental, so it was just getting to know dental, whether it was something I wanted to go into. And then during, again, like, you get really, really busy, so it can get overwhelming, and then with it being just 100% new information for me, so a lot of times it was really making sure I understood the concepts and going back to anything that I really didn't get, just because it's one of those careers and one of those degrees where everything you learn you're using throughout the rest, so you definitely have to remember a lot of those big things.
Sure. And what is the most challenging part of being a dental hygienist?
Yeah, so although patients are great, a lot of times it's just compliance in a sense, because you feel like you're definitely trying your hardest to help patients, and a lot of times everyone's different, so some people will accept it and some people won't, so you kind of have to work your way around it. And one of those things, working in healthcare, you don't realize that it's really customer service based a lot of ways too. You have to really focus and connect to your patients, so that can be difficult for someone who's a little introverted.
Right. And what advice would you give to me before starting dental hygiene school?
Yeah, so I would definitely make a schedule on how it works, especially if you're going to work during it or not, whatever that decision is. Definitely schedule some time for studying and for school, and honestly some personal time is probably really great, just so you don't get overwhelmed, but take it day by day, I guess, would be my advice for that.
Well, thank you so much,
Yeah,
Paula.
thank you.